Imagine paying almost $2 every single time you want to check your own credit score. That's exactly what FICO just started doing in 2026, doubling their prices overnight. But here's the breaking news. Senator Hawley announced a major investigation into this move, and I'm going to show you how to get your score for absolutely free. Breaking news hit the financial world this week. FICO, the company behind the most widely used credit scores in America, quietly doubled their per-score prices from 95 cents to $1.90. That's a 100% increase overnight, sparking consumer outrage and media frenzy. Why did they do this? Sources suggest it's a mix of inflation pressures and increased data costs, but critics call it pure profit grabbing. For the average person checking their score monthly, that's nearly $23 a year just to know your own financial health. Here's the secret they don't want you to know. You don't have to pay a dime. Method 1, use your credit card. Many major issuers like Discover, American Express, and Capital One offer free FICO scores to cardholders. Check your online account or app. It's often hidden in the benefits section above. Method 2, leverage free credit monitoring services. Apps like Credit Karma, while offering VantageScore, sometimes partner to provide FICO scores. Also, some banks and credit unions give free scores to customers. Just ask. I've linked my top picks in the description. Method 3, the annual credit report loophole. By law, you're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every 12 months at annualcreditreport.com. While it doesn't give the FICO score directly, it shows all the data that determines it, and some services offer a free score estimate with it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Senator Josh Hawley just announced a federal investigation into FICO's price hike, calling it predatory and anti-consumer. This could lead to regulations or even price rollbacks, but in the meantime, you need to protect your wallet. What if you skip FICO altogether? Alternatives like VantageScore are used by many lenders and are often free. Plus, focusing on credit factors, like paying bills on time and keeping utilization low, matters more than the score itself. I'll drop a video on that next. So what's your move? Will you pay the doubled price or use these free methods? Drop a comment below. I read every one. And if this helped you save money, hit like and subscribe for more credit hacks. Until next time, keep your credit unlocked. So what's your move? Will you pay the doubled price or use these free methods? Drop a comment below. I read every one. And if this helped you save money, hit like and subscribe for more credit hacks. Until next time, keep your credit unlocked.